In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Calendly with Microsoft Outlook. If you're looking to streamline your scheduling process and ensure seamless coordination between your Calendly appointments and Outlook calendar, then you've tuned into the right place. This integration is incredibly useful for managing your time efficiently and avoiding any scheduling conflicts. So, without further ado, let's walk through the process together. To begin with, you'll want to navigate to the Integrations and Apps section. This is where you'll find all the various integrations available for Calendly. By heading there first, you're ensuring that you're starting on the right path to seamlessly connect both of these platforms. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with this section, as it's a treasure trove of potential enhancements for your Calendly experience. Once you're in the Integrations and Apps section, look for a search bar. This will allow you to quickly find what you need without scrolling through everything. Next, you'll want to search specifically for Calendly for Outlook. Type it into the search bar, and it should pop up right away. Clicking on it will lead you to the next important step of the process. At this point, you might notice additional information about this integration, so feel free to skim through any details or FAQs provided. This can be helpful if you have specific questions about how the integration functions. Once you've located the Calendly for Outlook integration, you'll see an option labeled Get It Now. Click on this option to move forward. This click initiates the process of linking your Calendly account to Outlook, which is a crucial step in bringing your scheduling into perfect harmony. Now, it's important to note that at this point, you'll be prompted to sign into your account. This step is crucial to establish a secure connection between Calendly and Outlook. Make sure you're using the correct credentials so everything links up properly. After signing in, you've essentially completed the setup. You should now be able to see your Calendly appointments in your Outlook calendar and vice versa, ensuring that all of your events are synced and up to date. This will help you avoid double booking or any last-minute surprises in your schedule. Remember, if at any point you encounter issues or have additional questions as you work through this integration, support options are often available through both Calendly and Outlook. Don't hesitate to reach out if you need further assistance. And there you have it, the simple process of integrating Calendly with Microsoft Outlook. It's a quick, painless procedure that can save you a lot of time and energy moving forward. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful. If you enjoyed the video or found it valuable, consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribing for more insightful tech tutorials. Happy scheduling!